chilly Universal Hollywood. It is so cold. That's why I'm in my puffer jacket. We are at the Harry Potter world. I'm not really sure what. I think it's, wait, Wizarding World of Harry Potter, that's it. We're at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at 3 Broomsticks, about to have a breakfast. And then, I don't know, we'll see from there what the plan is. I think the plan is to at least get somewhat close to Mario World, because I think it's just going to be chaotic throughout the day, and the earlier the better, I hope. And then maybe Jurassic World, because I think that's also down in the lower lot. I feel like I look so tired. I'm wearing a really cute Mario outfit. I have this Mario bow and Mario earrings and a Mario necklace, the little Boo Ghost, and a red t-shirt and light overalls with yellow socks. You can't, like, there they are. They're C-3PO socks, but no one needs to know. I'm hoping to maybe buy Mario socks, like knee-high Mario socks, just for some warmth, because my bare legs are so cold. And we got the power-up bands, which is really exciting. Mine is on top. I got Toad, my mom got Peach, and my dad got Mario. Pancakes! Do you like pancakes? Here is a look at all of the references I don't understand. This is my second time in Hogwarts Wizarding World. The first time I was here with my best friend Elise, who knows like everything about the Harry Potter world. She grew up with it. I have read the first 2 books, but I've never seen any of the movies or anything, and so I don't really know what's going on. Elise, please help me from beyond. She's not dead, she's just at home. I didn't know that the power-up bands were slap bracelets. That makes me very happy. I'm having trouble with it staying on, but I'm doing my best. And I should say that the pancakes were actually really good. I was really happy with them. So 10 out of 10 for 3 broomsticks, or 3 brooms out of 3 brooms. I don't know why, but I'm refusing to use a map. I'm kind of just making up where we're going, and I'm hoping that through this Simpsons land of wonder and fun is an escalator to lower lot? Maybe? No? I don't know. I was right! My memory is still intact. Change of plans. Bowser is 180 minutes, which I don't know if it will get worse or better throughout the day. We're just going to keep an eye on it. And instead we're heading over towards the Despicable Me, Minions, and Secret Life of Pets, which is my top pick of the day. I think the Secret Life of Pets ride looks so fun. Secret Life of Pets!
You guys should keep moving. This is gonna take a while.
Well, it looks like that's your cue to leave.
Why are you not looking at? Why is he?
Wow! Look how many lost puppies there are, Max!
I know. There's gotta be at least, I don't know numbers, but there are a lot of them.
Move it! Move it! You guys want to practice wagging your tails? You in the middle. Wiggle your butt.
Yeah, don't play twisted with her. She'll confuse you. You can play Uno. You can play Uno with her. Just don't play twisted. Alright, see you later. Alright. Text me.
You're awesome, Snowball.
Oh, I appreciate it. You two have fun.
I really liked Secret Life of Pets. I thought it was so cute and fun. I wanted to do it again for sure and see if I noticed new things, because there was so much to look at. Then we did Despicable Me, which is like fun, but I feel like this park in general needs more variety rather than just like you sitting in front of a screen. So now we're heading to Jurassic World, which is something that provides more variety. So I'm excited, but I don't know how wet I'm gonna get, and I'm a little scared because it's so cold. I love taking the escalators and seeing all the views. There it is! Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Hire me, Universal. The level of freezing that I am on this escalator is astronomical. In Jurassic Park, scary in the dark. I'm so scared that I'll be eaten. We did Jurassic World and I didn't get wet, like really at all. If I did, it was just a sprinkle. Then we did The Mummy, where I kept my eyes closed the entire time because I was scared of the visual effects, but I like the coaster part. And now we're in Transformers, which I know nothing about, but I have seen Bumblebee, so hopefully Bumblebee makes an appearance. We grilled cheese at the Minions Cafe. It is so cold. It's because there's a wind advisory, and Universal, the upper lot, is on a hill. It's very intensely cold, I will say. And Mario is so busy. I mean, I assumed that Super Nintendo World would be really busy, and it is definitely very busy, even just walking past it. But I think we'll attempt to do it soon-ish. We have to at some point. We have to just commit. I don't know if you can appreciate how windy it is. It's probably not very good at showing it. I found a slightly sunnier spot, which I think will help with how freezing it is. And also the wind is a little more blocked by Moulin Rouge. This is me holding on to my parents' food so that it doesn't blow away. This is the chaos. I've seen people's like trays flying, napkins going through the air. It's a bit chaotic. Not gonna lie to you. Chaos! Oh, my food is on the way from my parents. Thank you! Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. Thank you. To do with myself. It is very overwhelming. So much to see. I don't know where to go. Oh, this is wild. Oh, Peach is out. This may very well be the most overwhelming theme park land I've ever been in. It's very small, so there's a ton of people, and also just like so much to look at that I don't even know like where I'm supposed to go or what I'm supposed to do. It's just a little nuts. Just a note, I feel like this yellow ground reflects a lot of sun. So if you're here in the summer, be prepared because it is hot down here. And you know I've been complaining this entire vlog about how freezing it is. It's summer here. I don't know if it's still going. So much to remember as a first-time rider, but I think I can do it. I believe in myself. It's me!
You're super, Mario.
I loved the Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge ride. I thought it was so much fun. It has such free rideability and the ability to like get better at it as you go. I got 142, which I think is pretty good. I like to think it's good at least. My dad got 119 and my mom got 106, I think. So I had the best in vehicle, not to brag or anything, but give me my trophy. No, I it was so fun. I loved it a lot. It was worth the 2-hour wait, I would say, even though that was a long time. The queue was really cool. At least they put in the effort of making it a fun queue to walk through. We're not going for any of the mini games because the lines are so long, and I feel like we have a lot more that we want to do, and it's just like a little too much. But it's something to look forward to in the future. Today's theme is chaos. This is Universal, brought to you by chaos, brought to you by the letter C.
When on the escalators, please hold the handrail at all times and attend children carefully. For their safety, children are not permitted to ride the escalator in strollers. Also, there is no smoking, please. As you step on the escalators, please stand in the center of the step, keeping your feet forward and avoiding the sides. Face forward at all times when on the escalator and remain standing. For your own safety, please do not sit on the steps. Thank you.
Anyway, like I was saying, it's pretty chaotic. It almost seems like they don't have enough staff or something. Compared to Disney, definitely chaos.
We've made a commitment to a film that really...
Back in PEI, we actually nicknamed that a Ferrari because it was a Volkswagen engine during filming. A real Ferrari engine would have been too loud to use. Sticks and Stones takes us back to the Flintstones. It's all just plastic and plywood.
Hey, you guys want to help me? We'll do 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. Ready? Not yet. 1, 2, 3. That was good. It might have been a little too many claps here. Oh no. Oh no, watch out, it's a flash flood!